Hello and welcome to another edition of Origami Wrestling. Tonight is the long-awaited rematch between Rowdy Red Rover and the Origami JD champion, Yellow Butter. But the challenger is arriving and he doesn't look well. Rover, what happened?
First of all, I was all set and leaving Yellow Butter laying in the middle of the ring, but as you can see, I got hurt in one of them cheap fitness centers in this town. But Yellow Butter, don't think for a second you're gonna get a night off, because right here is your opponent tonight, Eddie Foshak, and Foshak is gonna leave you laying like the dog you are, and he is gonna give to me what is rightfully mine, and that is the Origami JD Championship.
Well, it appears that, due to an injury, the champion will face a different challenger, Eddie Foshak. This is not what we expected, but the champion has to be prepared for anything. Let's go to ringside. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the Origami JD champion, Yellow Butter. And introducing the challenger, being accompanied by Rowdy Red Rover, here is Eddie Foshak. This is our main event of the evening. As I mentioned earlier, Yellow Butter didn't prepare for Eddie Foshak. But he's the champion, so he has to be ready for anything. Red Rover is antagonizing the champion, even though he's injured. Yellow Butter is going after him. The referee prevented Yellow Butter from hurting Rover. Look out! A cheap shot by Foshak. Foshak throws the champ into the ring. The champ is hurt. What's next? Butter head first into the corner. A clothesline. He covers Butter. 2 count only. Picks him up in a punch. Another one. Butter is down. And now what is this? What? Rover just hit Butter with his foot. Cover. Not like this. And another 2 count. We almost had a new champion. Into the ropes. And a vicious spine buster. Cover again. And a 2 count. Foshak with a punch. No effect. Yellow Butter has had enough. Right hand and another right hand and a third one. He's choking Foshak. Foshak leaves the ring trying to escape. Oh! Clothesline! Pile driver coming out. What? Rover's not hurt. This was a setup all along. Rover just threw out the referee. This is disgusting. Oh no! Stickman Freak is back and he wants revenge. Wait! He hit Foshak and Red Rover. He's chasing them away with that crutch. Stickman Freed said he respected the champion, and he proved it tonight. And Red Rover's plan blew up in his face. What a turn of events. I'm going to interview these two right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I still can't believe what I saw tonight.
Well, I'm glad it happened, and thank you for helping me.
No thanks needed. I said I respected you and...
Respect? You don't deserve it, yeah? This ain't over, not by a long shot.
Be careful what you wish for.
What a match! See you next time. Bye!
What?